beginning of the project is because now we're going to be looking at a shell command. Hey everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be continuing on with our Django series. So today we're going to be looking at the tree command for Windows, and then we're going to be delving more into our manage py, and we're going to look at that because we need to understand what one of them does. We're not going to really utilize it, but then the next video we are going to be jumping in. So let's just go ahead and get started. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. We do micro videos. So if you do not know how to get to the command prompt, we are in our Django projects folder, our path, and then we just come up here to on the path line, type CMD, short for command, and I jump up here and I get this DOS prompt. So we're now working with a great deal of files, folders, and we're jumping back and we're sitting here, but I want to show you a very nice way to see the layout all at one time. So now if you're on Windows, you already have this. You may need to install it if you're on a Mac, I believe. Now, some settings happen where tree kicks out everything, so you may need to then go /F. Boom. You get every folder here and so forth. So you now see the entire layout as a map. So you see the tree as it is. And the reason why I wanted to start out here at the beginning of the project is because now we're going to be looking at a shell command from manage.py. And so we're like, oh, okay, it's getting big, it's getting a little out of hand, but all right, I need to move to my site. So then you do cd my site. So now I'm there and I run dir. Okay, you guys can see that. And there's manage py. So let's just go ahead and pull up manage py and see what all. Aha, we've kind of glanced at this, but we're going to look at shell, and next video we are going to look at super user. But first things first. So the shell is a very powerful tool. We're not going to utilize it, but if you are seeing it and you've seen it, because that's what we do here. We explain everything, and especially you have the fortune of having somebody who has probably made every possible mistake, and I at least tracked it and kept up with it, and so I can share it and maybe save you a little bit of pain. So when you come here and you go manage, so when you pull up Python, so I'll show you. You get a prompt. All right, so we quit, but then when you run manage.py shell, it looks like the same prompt, but it's not. Let's look over here at manage py. So here's the huge difference. It drops in Django settings module, and it puts everything in here for you. So I want you to think about what model we just made. So if we want to import this, so if we want to start playing around with the database, and so this is your database API from what is it, models. Let's see, let me check my notes, make sure I have this right. So it's inside polls .models import country. Boom. So I'm sitting here, I have my class, which is inside my models. Now, if I quit out of here and I just pull up Python, and then I try to bring this in, I get all kinds of fails. So when you want to start touching the database and you want to start toying around with it and tweaking and maybe making some new changes, but you don't want to go all the way in, this is how you would do it. So if you've seen other places where they gloss right by the shell and you wonder why are they doing that, it looks exactly the same. Well, one, you see interactive, where is it? Interactive console. But what's happening in the background, and I try to explain this a lot, really show you guys under the hood. But this brings in everything Django for you. So that is that. So real quick video today, and tomorrow, next video, we will be building our admin, our super user. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Please drop any comments, questions, any video requests. Don't forget to give this video a like and make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell and spread the word. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.